It was a beehive of cultural activities at Central School Field, Enugwu-Otu Aguleri, in Anambra East Council area as the people of the community trooped out en masse to celebrate the second Ovala festival of their traditional ruler, Igwe Emmanuel Ibanugo Ejiofor. The Ovala, which was tagged Ovala Mmepe Obodo Enugwu-Otu Aguleri, aimed to bring Ndị Enugwu-Otu together to showcase their rich cultural heritage, display their harvested crops as the food basket of the state, and to pay homage to their traditional ruler, Igwe Ejiofor, who in turn released his Ovala message and blessed the land as the custodian of the culture of the people. Our correspondent, Amako Okoye, filed the report.
From the community, ranging from Ndi Ojana, Irunabo, ruling council, Ndi Ogonwanyi, age grades, and other traditional rulers from Anambra North, led by the traditional ruler of Enugwu-Aguleri, Ezechukwu Emekeri, came to the ceremony. The Ovala got to its peak when Igwe Ejiofor, led with Igwe, danced round the arena, exchanging pleasantries and welcoming his guests. Igwe Ejiofor, while breaking the kola nut, said that since he mounted the traditional stool of the community, progress, peace, and development have continued to come into the community through his subjects, who he praised for each day, praying more development and cordial relationship between them and their neighbors. He commended all the age grades in the community for contributing in one way or the other to bring massive development of the community. Igwe Ejiofor extolled Governor Chukwuma Soludo for hearkening to their call by building a world-class general hospital for Aguleri-Otu communities, electrification of Aguleri-Otu, and the construction of ultra-modern event center. Felicitating with Ndi Enugwu-Otu Aguleri, the traditional ruler of Enugwu-Otu Aguleri, Igwe Johnson Mbanefo, testified that Igwe Ejiofor sacrificed a lot for the progress of his community before his emergence as the traditional ruler, saying now that he is on the throne, the community will continue to attain new heights of development, peace, and unity. He called on Ndi Enugwu-Otu to keep supporting their traditional ruler.
So, area of the Batano na nwere ive dị iche, and na ọ bụ na ọ dị ọla Enugwu-Otu mma ọ dị Mkpunando mma maka Enugwu-Otu na Mkpunando bụ na ọdụ ka mbegeli kana abọ na nara akpagbu onwebe ibe ọ bụ na enwetara na Enugwu-Otu ya abalị Enugwu-Otu ulu at the same time balị ndị Mkpunando ulu.
For the chairman, Aguleri Royal Cabinet, Chief Dominic Ndife, Igwe Ejiofor has resolved all the lingering disputes in the community and called on youths to embrace all the government projects in their communities with large hearts. In their separate speeches, the President General of Enugwu-Otu Aguleri, Joseph Odipo, and the women leader of the community, Mrs. Juliana Iwuno, noted that they use the festival to showcase who they are, even as they say the community is having it so good with their traditional ruler, Igwe Ejiofor, because of his love for his subjects and his open door policy. Homage to Igwe Ejiofor and other cultural display were highlights of the Ovala. From Enugwu-Otu Aguleri, Amaka Okoye, ABS News.